In this video, I will show you how to download Haystack TV on Smart TV. I can subscribe to YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. If you have a Smart TV and want to download Haystack News or Haystack TV, here's what you can do, especially if you have Google Play Store installed. So in that case, you're going to use this application called Downloader, which is an intermediate application that helps you to search for files across the internet and get them to your Smart TV. If you don't download on your Smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get downloaded. Once you go to downloader, just go ahead and launch it. And here's how the dashboard looks like. Once you come back to the dashboard, in this box, just search for what you're looking for. Search for the right keyword. I always say something like install Haystack TV or download Haystack TV. Make it a little bit longer than mine. For the sake of time, I'm just going to search Haystack TV. So when we search that, we are going to see various options that downloader will show us. It's just like a result page on Google. Like for instance, here is it. Here's one option, apps on Google Play Store. Here's one option of downloading Haystack, local TV news. Here's another option. If you scroll down a little bit, as you can see, there are many options. This is for on Amazon App Store. Here's another one, TV apps. So there are many options that you can use to download the application. If these are not enough, you can always click here to search for more options. But for the sake of time, let's just go ahead and try out this option. So you have to click on that option. It's going to bring us to here. And if the application is supported on your smart TV, you're just going to click on install and the application will be installed to your smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful.